I bet you didn't know how far car tech has come. Until now, let's check out the new Audi versus old cars. First up, performance. The new Audi boasts a turbocharged engine for lightning-fast acceleration. Old cars? Powerful, but not this quick. The new Audi's sleek design is built for speed and efficiency. Compare that to the boxy, fuel-hungry models of yesteryear. The Audi's got adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and a killer infotainment system. Old cars? Try adjusting the radio without taking your eyes off the road. The new Audi is packed with advanced safety features like automated emergency braking and 360-degree cameras. Old cars? Seatbelts were considered high-tech, so which is better? The new Audi combines cutting-edge tech, sleek design and top-notch performance. Old cars have their charm, but there's no contest when it comes to modern driving. Time to upgrade.